Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file and was asking for some help with trying to change the letters SHS to something else or deleting them. And the bad news is they're a curve, but everything on the page is a curve. So he was asking me how he could do it with find and replace. It just can't. I shouldn't say it can't be done. I don't know how to do it. I don't think there is a way. But I thought I'd make a video to kind of maybe give him an idea. First of all, this is a lot of cutting. It's a 36-inch page. That's a lot of cutting. So you've got time to do things while this is cutting out the first time if you want to change something. But you could select like these first two rows, and if you don't get everything of the item, you're going to select those 17 objects, and you could make them black, or you could delete them. But let's just leave them black for a second. Then we don't have to hold down the shift key, and let's see if we can't do this again with, as long as we don't get everything in the page, so we're not turning anything else black, so it's working. And you could go, I don't even think I got them all that time because I was short, but it would save you a little bit of time instead of trying to go through there and pick each one. Let's just do a few more here. Maybe make our a little bit broader. Get a few more, but don't get that circle. So let's say you have all of them done. And then you would go through here and get the ones you individually, I'm just left clicking black. And then you could use find and replace later, because this is still a hairline. So one suggestion, this was evidently a text. You could have left it as a text, and then you could have find and replaced it. Well, let's just go to view, edit, find and replace, find object, begin new search. And this time we're going to go for outlines, and we're going to check on outline properties and go next. And then we're going to go with color, and it just happens, well, this is black, CMYK black, but I'm using his file. So we're going to change this to RGB black. And let's just do this real quick. Let's just go to our black and click it, and then X out of there. Let's make sure we do have RG. Now go next, and then finish, find all. And then it found all those black ones we've changed, and you can make them green or delete them. There's no way to change the shape. But if so first of all, don't convert everything to a curve. And let's just see how many, and then you could do that. Now, this might help you here. If our nudge factor was set, I hate to click it, well, let's see this page, this is just a little test here. It's weird that your page is smaller than your normal table. But let's set our nudge distance on 24. So this is something you could do. And let's go back to find and replace, find objects, begin new search. Of course, you'd want to do the first outline properties, next, color, and we can grab the eyedropper tool and get on that green, and then go next, finish, find all, and it selected all of them. You could nudge those down, and then you could go back and get the ones you missed, and this would be pretty easy. You could go, your nudge is still going to be the same, and this might be totally off the wall what he wants to do. I don't really understand. First of all, I'd like to know what he's cutting out. That's pretty cool. But you could go through one by one. Instead of deleting them, I'm just nudging them down, and they're going to be in the exact right place. but you can't really change anything else. So I don't know what he's looking to do. If he just wants to delete them, this is probably the easy way just to delete them. Don't have to worry about changing their color. Didn't take that long. But now you have all these and we can make them all green. And, you know, I guess I should know what more he's doing. And because we nudged them, we could actually group them together and nudge them back up, and they're right back where they were. So I don't know what his plan is, but hope that helped a little bit. I'm sorry, find and replace just won't work in this scenario. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.